light it on, and suddenly, boom!
Okay.
And white smoke.
So it's been installed for 2 to 3 months.
2 months.
2 months, but it hasn't been on, right?
Oh, it was on. And then it turns off. So I didn't know why it was turning off. So I thought maybe because I'm not using it enough, the water gets overheated. I don't know.
Oh, okay. And then you heard a little pop?
Yeah.
A big pop?
Big pop.
Like a kaboom?
Yeah, and then smell of burn.
Okay. And you guys got this used, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So who installed it?
It was some other guy.
Okay.
Friend of Juan Carlos.
A friend? Okay.
But he knows. I mean, that's what he does. It's not coming out better.
Okay.
It's on vacation.
Oh, I got you.
And it's always good to know someone else.
Yeah, I mostly work on residential. So this one's a little different, but it doesn't look too different.
No, it's almost the same. It's just
But,
bigger.
yeah, it's just bigger. Exactly. Yeah, it's just bigger.
It's the same. We had a residential here before, and the city made us take it off.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but it was the same connections actually. Same connection. Just we needed to adapt the height only.
Okay.
But it was basically the same, exactly the same.
So he was okay with this?
Yeah.
Because that's not legit.
Oh no?
Yeah, I think that's part of your problem.
Oh, yeah. Take it off.
Yeah, we got to change that.
All right.
For sure. In fact, you should be 4-inch going all the way out, but I think you'll be okay with 3.
Okay.
It's just you need it's called a draft hood. So it's a cap that sits on top. It lets air flow in.
Oh, that's why it's turning off. Man.
That's probably why it's turning off. Yeah, so the gas needs that air to help it go out. It won't draft properly, and if the temperature changes outside versus inside, which obviously it's hot in here, it'll block the gas.
So was that I leave it on all the time, the little fan. But I remember he put that in because it was getting too hot. But I guess he didn't know what he was doing.
Yeah, you gotta have. I brought one with me.
All right.
Yeah, I brought one with me. So I just happened to have one for this size.
Right.
Because some guy came looking for one, and I didn't have it, and so when I saw one, I grabbed it, and I've just been sitting on it ever since. So I threw it in my truck. Yeah, right. Okay. So if I need to turn the gas off,
It's already off.
oh, it's already off. Okay.
Here. There's the handle over there.
Oh, okay.
So it's off.
Okay, gas is off. All right, good deal. All right, I'm gonna look at the burner assembly. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. How we doing? This is a commercial grade 75 gallon. Owner said they turned it on and it exploded. So we're gonna take a look inside and see if we can figure out what's going on. So it does not currently have a draft hood, which is very important. Yeah. So the I have my flashlight with me. Let me get my flashlight. Okay, so you can see the TRD has pops. That's part of your problem.
What was that?
It's called a TRD. Fortunately, I keep them with me.
Oh my God! So there's something off that breaks out.
Yeah, like if you get too much heat in the combustion chamber, it'll cause that thing to pop. It's a safety device, and it closes a trap door on the bottom, starves it out of oxygen.
Yes, so that was the pop with her.
Well, probably not. No, it was probably part of it. But yeah, I keep them. I just save them out of old water heaters.
Wow.
So, never know when you need one, right?
You're very prepared, man. I'm impressed, I might say. I must say.
Yeah, well, it's not my first time I've done this, so. Okay, so there's a little trapdoor on the bottom. I got another video. I will link to it, and you guys can check it out. I think it's just called TRD is the name of the video. But yeah, that's what happens. So too much heat in the combustion chamber. Probably because it's not drafting properly, and then that caused the TRD to pop, and then it just closed. So hopefully an easy fix.
How you doing, sir?
Hey, are you Juan?
Yeah, that's right.
Hey, how are you, Juan?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So you had looks like it's called a TRD.
Okay.
And if there's too much heat in the combustion chamber, which I think happened because it's not drafting properly.
Okay.
Because somebody, I'll show you when I'm done.
Okay.
But basically on top of the water heater, they just ran a pipe right to the water heater, and you need oxygen to go in.
Okay.
To help get the gases out.
Something fixable, right?
Oh yeah, I got one in my truck.
Oh, perfect.
So I'm gonna handle all that.
Okay.
Yeah. So hopefully that's it.
Okay.
I don't see what else it could be, but. Yeah, it's 1,000,000 degrees in here. Okay, so got that reassembled, replaced the broken TRD, which is here. And next we will be fixing that nightmare.